Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a portable oxygen injector for nails. This innovative device helps deliver nourishing serums and treatments directly to your nails and cuticles as a fine, gentle mist. First, familiarize yourself with the main unit, the small liquid cup, and the nozzle. Before your first use, make sure the injector is fully charged, which usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, indicated by a solid light. Now, let's prepare your nails and apply the treatment. Always start with clean, dry nails, ensuring they are free of any polish or residual oils for best absorption. Carefully fill the small liquid cup with your preferred nail serum or treatment. Avoid overfilling. Hold the injector approximately 6 inches away from your nail surface. Then, gently press the trigger to release a consistent, fine mist over each nail for about 5 to 10 seconds. After applying the mist, gently massage the serum into your nails and cuticles for about 30 seconds to ensure maximum absorption. The oxygen delivery system significantly enhances the penetration of your chosen nail treatment, allowing it to work more effectively. With consistent use, you can expect to see stronger, healthier, and more hydrated nails. Many users report improved nail appearance and a noticeable reduction in brittleness within a few weeks. Proper care ensures your portable oxygen injector lasts a long time. After each session, it is crucial to clean the liquid cup and nozzle thoroughly to prevent clogging. Use a small brush and warm water to remove any serum residue. Allow all components to air dry completely before reassembling. Store your device in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children. Always refer to your specific model's instruction manual for detailed safety guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.